Hello, this is an unboxing video, manufacturer number 30-000315, made by Gerber blades. It's your crucial forward action spring technology tool. I do have this already taken out of the box just because it takes a minute to open it up and get it all to where you can see it. So I have it right here. So I'll show you how it goes inside the box so you know. So I'll hold it up like so. Give me a good look. You can see it's got your pliers. And then it's got your screwdriver, your knife. It has a serrated and a flat blade. This can be a screwdriver piece. Multi-tool there. Does have your belt clip. So I'll go ahead and fold everything in. These are on, you would just have to slide this down to get this to slide in very easily. So it's on a catch, so you just push it down and then it would slide in. The knife blade actually has another spot here, so you just push it down and then it would close. And then for these, just tuck it in and push. And they're at your compact size. And it just came in a package like so. Get it in here. And then in the box. So again, it's your multi-purpose tool. It's a crucial forward action spring technology, and it's made by Gerber.